Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another craft video. We also have two special friends with us today, and they are...
Hi, I'm Maddie.
Hi, I'm Eric.
Thanks for joining us today. And so today we're going to do another toilet paper craft or paper towel roll, and we're going to be making flowers, or Maddie's going to show you another way they can be used. So here's the one I made the other day. It's just very simple. Peggy, did you do one?
Yes, I have one too. It's a nice celebration craft.
So as Gail said, you can also do it this way. So I have a handle on the top of mine. I did an under the sea theme, and you can make it a windsock with a handle on the top.
Nice.
And for mine, I decided to do a fire-breathing dragon with it, so I added more of a theme. Here's mine.
Wow, I love them.
Yes, looks fun. So before we begin, we're going to start with one of our special breaths, and this one's called a balloon breath. So we're going to hold our fingertips together, and you're going to breathe in, slowly expand, and then breathe out. So while we do it, I'm going to use this to help us breathe. Take a long, deep breath in, and then out. All right, let's do that one more time. And out.
I feel much more relaxed, Peggy. Thank you.
All right, good. That's what it's supposed to do. All right, we're ready to start, I think.
Okay, so the materials that you will need for this craft is some colored paper. You can do any colors that you would like. A toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll. Some markers or a Sharpie if you have one. Some scissors. Some tape. Some tissue paper or some crepe paper. And then if you want to do the craft like me, you'll also need some pipe cleaners as well.
Great. So should we get started by first showing how we wrap the toilet paper roll?
All right. Eric, are you going to show us this part?
Yep. So I'm pretty sure most of us have pre-cut it. You just want to measure it to the size of your toilet paper roll. And then you're going to tape one side on the toilet paper roll. And then you're just going to wrap it around. One side on that. And then you're just going to wrap it around. Almost like a present. And then add one more piece of tape. Oh,
Great.
good?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, and then I'm going to show you if you have tissue paper or crepe paper, what you can do is you can cut strips. Any size is fine. Okay. And then once you have your strips, you can just take a little piece of tape and attach it to one end of the strip and tape it right inside the roll. Okay, so you're going to do that as many times as you want and with as many colors as you want.
Okay, so now is the time where you can decorate your roll however you want. So I'm going to show you how you can do an under the sea theme like I did. So first I started out by tracing a basic fish shape on a piece of paper. And then once you do that, you can cut them out so they look like this. And then I drew little faces and some scales on the fish as well. So then once you have all your fish, you can begin by taping them onto your roll wherever you want. So it looks like this.
Nice.
And then you can take your pipe cleaners and you can cut them into tiny pieces. So I already cut mine into a bunch of tiny pieces like this. And then I bent mine to make it look like seaweed. And then I took some tape. And I use duct tape for this just because it's stronger, so I felt it would stick better. And then using the duct tape, you can stick your seaweed to your roll.
So Maddie, if someone doesn't have pipe cleaners, they could probably draw it on, right?
Yes, exactly.
Can I see that again on your?
You have your fish with some seaweed. And then since mine has a handle on the top, I'll show you how to do that as well. So you just cut a thinner piece of paper like this, and then you're just going to tape it to the inside of your roll like we did the tissue paper. So you're going to tape it to the inside on one side like this, and then you're going to bend it over like this and tape it to the other side. So now you have a little handle for your windsock.
That's awesome. Thank you, Maddie, for showing us that. I'm going to be working on mine a little bit later with what you showed me. And Eric, do you want to show us the dragon?
Yeah, so I just cut out, I have some pre-cut out eyes and a pre-cut out nose. So I just drew these on construction paper. With the eyes, I just put it on white paper and then cut out around it. And so what you're gonna do is leave a little extra piece at the bottom so you can fold it back. And so it's bent. And once you do that, you can just tape that back piece right on the back of it. And then once you add the eyes and the nose, you will have your dragon face. So I'll just do that really quickly. So here are my eyes.
It's easier than I thought it was going to be. That's cool.
Yep, it's just drawing it out and then cutting it out from the construction paper.
I like it because you can almost turn these into whatever creature you want, or make it a sock or a blower.
Yep, and you can make any eye shapes or any expressions you want them to be making, or it's very customizable.
Nice.
And
Wow, I love it.
I'm gonna make mine, I think, into a fish theme.
Yeah, I think later I'm going to just probably do another one with just, I use markers and some stars, just a basic one.
And I ended up finding some fish stickers. So I think I'm gonna like add that on my roll.
Nice. Yeah, this craft, you really can do anything you want. I always say there's no right or wrong with art. So you can make them as elaborate or simple. You can do whatever you want.
All right, so I'm gonna, like Gail, I'm gonna finish mine later. And we hope you enjoyed our craft video today and that you have fun trying it.
And if you want to check out our other craft videos, you can go to our website, www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.